What up, y'all? Welcome back to Chronic Eats. I'm gonna do a little French toast tutorial for you. Got the egg in the bowl. Got the bread over here. Okay, a little half and half. I couldn't find just milk right now in the fridge, so we're using the half and half. All in the bowl like that, just eggs and milk or half and half. Then you mix it all up. Get it good. Get all the yellow out of the egg yolk. Mix it all together. See how it's kind of yellow? Yeah, gotta mix it all up. Make sure it's evenly distributed inside the bowl. Then you get your pan all ready, put butter in there, using cast iron today, and then we're gonna dip one of these into here, one at a time, coat both sides, and then throw it in the pan. I'll show you in a minute. Like so, you guys. I can't show you all that shit using one hand because, well, come on, guys. Yeah, I got one good hand. Fucking shit's happening to people, you know. If you want to know why, leave a comment and ask. I will be glad to tell you. But anyway, you dip the bread in the egg and milk mixture, or half and half, whatever you got, and then throw it in the pan, the butter pan, one side at a time, probably like 3 minutes a side. And I'll show you what's up. Okay, maybe 2 minutes. You just gotta watch it. Keep checking the underneath of the bread. Make sure it looks kind of like that, you know. Getting there, looking all good. So anyway, 1 egg to about a 1/4 cup of milk will get you 2 pieces of French toast. Sometimes 3. Depending on how much milk you put in there. But yeah, let's keep going. And we have enough for 1 more. Sometimes there's excess in the bowl. Not all the time though. Off 1 egg and milk or half and half. Then you want to butter them up while they're hot. Get that butter melty. And as soon as this other one's done, we'll put syrup on there as well. You know what I mean? Yeah. Getting there. There we go. Gonna get some syrup on there. Got some bacon going too. Pan's still hot, so why the hell not, right? Flip that bacon to the other side. Yeah. The stove's not even on. The pan's so hot. Take a little energy, right? Got these all syrupy and shit. Gonna dig in right now. There you go, guys. I'm chowing down. Jumping the gun. Trying to get this meal in me. And there's that bacon. Feel free to dip that in the excess syrup on your plate. And anyway, that's how it's done. Most breakfast places are going to sell French toast for like $10 with a couple other sides. The most expensive shit on the breakfast menu. But you can do it at home for like $1 or $2, you know what I mean? So don't be afraid to hook yourself up at the house, at the crib. You know, this is so good. Buttery, syrupy, bacon. Yeah. Anyway, there you go for the French toast. Let's mukbang it up. Hang on. Yeah. Mukbang time. Yeah. So, yeah, this is one of my favorite things to make. It's so easy. Going to Denny's or wherever, they'll be like, "Good, I need $10 for some French toast with some bacon and an egg and whatever." You know what I mean? Make it feel all special. When it only costs $1 in the kitchen and do yourself. Like eggs, what are they? 50 cents a piece. And then some milk. What's that? Another 50 cents. And a couple pieces of bread. Another quarter. Some butter and syrup. Another freaking quarter. You know what I mean? But, you know, it's probably that buttery, syrupy taste that I like. You know, something sweet in the morning. And just the taste of the French toast is bomb. With the egg all over the bread. Get some bacon in there too. Get some of that sweet stuff. Yeah. That's what mornings are made for. It's morning to me at least. It's about noon right now. 12:30 or something. You know? But I love doing this. So easy, tastes so good. Good start to the day. Anyway, that's about it. Thanks for checking in. Cook up yourself a breakfast tomorrow, or whenever your next day off is, or you got the time or whatever. Please smash that like and subscribe button. Please leave a comment. Please share with the world all that cringy YouTube crap. It's free, and it helps out the channel. Boosts me in the algorithm, and I would appreciate it. Alright guys, thanks a lot, have a good one. Chronic Eats out. Peace.